What's up, guys? Today I'm just going to make a short video for making a Python virtual environment in Sublime Text. For that we need to have a built-in terminal in Sublime Text, and I have just made a recent video. I have recently made a video on that topic, and I'm just going to let the link in description for me. And for opening a terminal we need to just type alt+1. After that we need to just install virtual environment with help of pip and type pip install virtual env and press enter. After a while, as my requirement has been already satisfied, as I have already installed out that, now we need to just create one of the virtual environment. For that we need to type virtual env and give a specific name of our virtual environment folder of Python. In case I am just going to give Python, and you can see that there is our virtual environment folder has been created out, and there are a bunch of file. Now we need to just activate our virtual environment. Now we need to just type name of our virtual environment folder, and we need to type script and activate, and our virtual environment has been activated. As you can see, there is a name of our folder in a terminal. And for running a file in a virtual environment we need to go on tools, and after that go on build system, and we need to select out Python plus virtual environment for running a Python program in a virtual environment. And for deactivating we need to just type deactivate to deactivate virtual environment of our system. And this that's all. It's simple. And if you like this video, please like to these videos and subscribe to our channel.